Peter from First Maths. Today we're going to look at the Year 3 Block 3 Assessment Paper 1. The answers will be at the end of the quiz. Question 1. Write the number 550 in figures. Pause the video until you are ready for question 2. Here comes question 2. Question 2. This is part of 100 square. Fill in the missing numbers. 53 something something 86. Pause the video until you are ready for question 3. Here comes question 3. Question 3. Fill in the missing numbers. A. 6 plus something equals 12. B. 13. Take away something equals 9. Pause the video until you are ready for question 4. Here comes question 4. Question 4. Put these measures in order, largest first. Pause the video until you are ready for question 5. Here comes question 5. Question 5. Double. 5 doubled makes 10. 10 doubled makes something. Something doubled makes 40. 40 doubled makes something else. What are the missing numbers? Pause the video until you are ready for question 6. Here comes question 6. Question 6. Write how many right angles in each shape. Here is a square and here is a pennant flag. Pause the video until you are ready for question 7. Here comes question 7. Question 7. I think of a number. I double it and add 7. The answer is 23. What was my number? Pause the video until you're ready for question 8. Here comes question 8. Question 8. Write the missing numbers coming out of the function machine. In, round to the nearest 100 and out. So the number goes in, is rounded to the nearest 100 and comes out a different number. So, what is 563 rounded to the nearest 100? 221 rounded to the nearest 100? 450 rounded to the nearest 100? 549 rounded to the nearest 100 and 82 rounded to the nearest 100. Pause the video until you are ready for question 9. Here comes question 9. Write the amount of liquid in the jug to the nearest 100 milliliters. Pause the video until you're ready for question 10. Here comes question 10. Question 10. There are 19 books on the top shelf and 32 books on the bottom shelf. 23 of the books are taken away. How many books are left on the shelf? Show your working out. Pause the video until you're ready for question 11. Here comes question 11. Question 11. Look at these numbers. Draw a ring around the numbers that are multiples of 10. 1,000, 100, 70, 20, 25, 416, 32, 26, 325. Pause the video until you're ready for question 12. Here comes question 12. Question 12. How many jugs of water will fill the cooking pot? You have half a litre jug and a 5-litre pot. Pause the video until you're ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 13. A jar holds 103 sweets. 98 of the sweets are eaten. How many are left? Show your working. Pause the video until you are ready for question 14. Here comes question 14. Question 14. There are 3 types of pizzas: cheese, pepperoni and seafood. They come in 3 different sizes: small, medium and large. Which 2 pizzas could you buy for exactly £10? Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 15. Tick the shapes which have at least one right-angled corner. Pause the video until you are ready for all the answers. Here come the answers. Question 1, 550. Question 2, 53, 64, 75, 86. Question 3, 6 plus 6 equals 12. 13 take away 4 equals 9. Question 4, 731, 713, 371, 173, 137. Question 5, 5, 10, 20, 40 and 80. Question 6, 4 and 2. Question 7, 8. Question 8, 600, 200, 500, 500, 100. Question 9, 400 milliliters. Question 10, 28 books. Question 11, 20, 70, 100, 1000. Question 12, 10. Question 13, 5 sweets. Question 14, a medium cheese and a large pepperoni. Question 15, A, C and E. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked the video, then press the like button below, because I love to see how people like my movies. Also, please subscribe to my channel to know when I'll be uploading my next video. It might be a maths lesson, a maths game, or a maths test. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.